Are we lost?
We're kind of lost. We're in search of this dolmen stone. Ah, yeah. I think it's here.
We were here
Because
before.
there is a farm just outside of it. Where is this heading? I wonder. What is this? Does it say anything?
Waterford Ireland service.
We've been here before. I remember it's a farm, and this should be it. There you go. Dolmen.
It's hard to see
Yeah.
from here. You cannot really go there, isn't it?
Yeah. I was able to go there before.
Why? How come?
I was allowed. Yeah, somebody from here I was able to go.
Is there no way that way?
No.
Way? No?
Like, just
We're able to locate one of the dolmens here in Waterford, County Waterford.
and it's actually inside a farm.
So earlier on,
We were thinking, how can we go in?
and good thing, luckily, that the owner of the farm, there was a girl, a lady here said, okay, are you okay?
And then we said,
Can we go in? And she said, okay, yeah, you can go in.
we're going in. All right.
I was able to go in there before.
It's
Actually,
locked.
yeah, but you know, it's locked, but we have to go in, like, climb. Careful.
No, don't touch that. Don't go there.
Leave it there. I'm gonna go up.
Careful. Okay.
Now it's your mom's turn. Now.
Oh, Ezra, don't go there.
Over here.
Okay, wait a second, guys. Okay. 1 second. Hang on. Just go there like that. And then climb. I mean, not climb. Okay, underneath. Good job. Now, let me pass this onto you. We're gonna go there. And am I? Yeah. It's good. You made it. Just hold it. This is a super adventure type, of course. What do you think, guys? What if there's a bull here? We're on a mission here to go near the megalithic dolmen tomb. We're out in County Waterford. This stone is very, very fascinating. The likes of this stone or stones, they're big, and amazingly, and we are family, just having fun. So we're out somewhere. Imagine, huh? See the cows are shouting. Is there any danger? Maybe something like that. Be careful. Electricity. Go away from that. Now there's a wire again. Okay. Now as we are approaching, look at the, watch out, as you can see that's electric, okay? So you have to skip. Make sure you skip over and just go like this. That's all. Now We are finally here. Wow. See? Okay, let's proceed. We'll go inside. Wow. That's the... Now watch out when you're going... Oh! There's some spikes, okay? Spikes. Wow. Pretty amazing. As you can see here. Now, see this?
I think we saw it, but we went.
No, you didn't come here before.
No, but we saw it. We passed by there. Look.
No, you didn't see this, guys. I was here before. That's big stone we have. Careful. Oh, that's humongous. Humongous. This is the stone, megalithic stone. As you can see there in my background. So fascinating to see this in person. And if you happen to come to Waterford sometime, hopefully you'll be able to see this in person. It's amazing how it looks like in real life. See? Yeah. That's cool. Now. Okay, we're on our way back. We had the footages that we wanted, and we're heading back to the car. And the adventure continues. We just seen that dolmen. I don't know, where's the other one? Can you remember? That was amazing.
How does it feel to be on top of the stone?
A bit scary because when you are looking at the side that we were on, it doesn't look that stable.
And it's a bit windy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to the next dolmen, which is called, how do you pronounce it, Apa?
Gaulstown?
Yeah, that's right.
It's a Gaulstown.
Gaulstown dolmen.
Gaulstown.
Gaulstown.
That's the place, probably.
Gaulstown dolmen.
The dolmens here in Waterford, they're not far from each other. There's like 3 big ones, so we're gonna go to the other one, to the next one. We have been there a few times already. We are gonna go back again just to see how it looks like now, but I'm sure it's the same. When we went there, the kids were still small. It's like an eerie sort of feeling. You know, that place is so quiet. So the last time that we went there, and I happened to be alone, I kind of was taking pictures. At that time, I don't think I was taking any videos. Where is it now?
I just go straight.
Let's see how. How far?
400 meters.
Oh, okay.
I think it's here. I remember this place.
Oh yeah, the Gaulstown. Yeah. Now we can park here. Yeah. This is the place, and we have to walk going in.
Yeah, I remember this place.
Yes.
Hey guys, we're gonna go in, and I think it's partly like owned by, well, the land is owned privately maybe, but anyone can go. It's a public place, but it so happened maybe that there's a land being owned by someone there nearby.
It doesn't have long legs.
Yeah.
That's like a slow dog.
Yeah.
Just like a normal dog.
Yeah, Dara, come on.
No holding two cameras.
What?
No holding two cameras. It's like we're following the dog.
Yeah. The dog is leading us.
He's our tourist guide.
Doggy.
Shaking his pillow.
Yeah.
One time?
There is a bit of a walk from the main gate up to here, and I think this is it. It's signposted here as Gaulstown, Dolmen. Now this is the way to go. So we can either go there or up here in the middle, or just go up. Nobody really comes over here much. No. Oh, look at this. There's the stone. The other one is much bigger. I thought before that this one is the biggest, but it's not. It is smaller than the other one. No, that's crazy big. Wow.
Whoa.
Ooh, somebody inside.
Look that up. Look. The dog is following.
Huh?
The dog.
That's big, huh? But this is actually scary in a way, because this stone, there's a teeny tiny, it's like just there. Like when you look at the tip, see, it's just there. Yeah. Oh, look at the sign here, guys. It says here, beware of the bull. There's a bull somewhere here that we don't know where. OMG. I don't know who owns the doggy. Yeah. What's up, guys? Yeah? Yeah. That's a big stone roof.
This is a big,
It's amazing how they made this.
but it's amazing.
Yeah. What can you say? The other one is way bigger than this. Yeah, you were on top and
You can go in on top of it.
yeah.
Who owns the dog?
So guys, here in Ireland, there's so many kind of like this. So it's just amazing to see how people in the past were able to make this. Hopefully, whoever is watching this video is enjoying how it looks like, how this thing happens to be here. It's a good day for us to go around anyway, and this is the second time that or not
Do
the
you
second
guys
time.
remember being here?
Yeah,
Looks familiar.
How about you, Kian? No.
No, because Kian was still like maybe not
Maybe
even
he
a
wasn't
toddler,
born yet.
maybe a baby, something like that. But for sure, it's your second time to come over here. So that's about it for today. Maybe that's it. Hopefully you've enjoyed whatever you've seen so far, and we'll continue to enjoy the day. Have a look on the adventures that we've been, and if you feel like you want to see more of kind of like this, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. There is actually a small one here. Yeah, there's a small one here, but nobody knows about this. Maybe, but I happen to know about this when there was a kind of a tour guide, an elderly man, and he told me about this. As you can see there, this is another type of megalith stone.